Derma Vacuum Cleaner DX700 from SHOPEE. Ang maganda sa kanya, it is so powerful for its size. Ergonomic yung design. Portable and can easily be stored after use. Economical dahil 600 watts lang siya, matipid and hindi masyadong maingay compared to standard vacuums. Pwede siya for carpet, tile floors, car, bed, and even window blinds. On the other hand, medyo madali siyang mag-init, so ang suggested usage is within 15 minutes. Overall, sulit na sulit pa rin siya for its price, and we got it for only 1,877 during the SHOPEE 5/5 sale.